Hey guys, today you learn listening test part 2, question response, test tactic, section 2. In this section, you're going to learn some important test tips, what to focus on, and how to avoid common distractors. First of all, let's go to some test tips. Test tip 1. Answers in the TOEIC test do not always answer the question directly. Listen for answers with related details or explanations. Test tip 2. Often the question and answer will be different tenses. Don't expect the tense always to be the same. For example, the answer to a future or present question may explain something in the past. Now write 2 answers for each question. Have you finished? Here are a few possible answers. 1. What are you doing on Sunday? A. Nothing special. I probably catch up on some housework. B. I usually visit my mother on the weekend. 2. Who is going to represent them at the meeting? C. Johnson & Smith are preparing a presentation. D. The meeting has been postponed until next month. 3. How did you get to the airport? E. I caught the bus. F. I drove and left my car with an airport parking company. Let's continue with some more test tips. Test tip 3. The focus in part 2 is on meaning. Listen for keywords, nouns, verbs, question words to help you avoid distractors and find the correct answer choice. Test tip 4. Watch out for common distractors. Being familiar with the ways incorrect answer choices may distract you can help you to make a good choice. In this section, you're going to learn how to focus on the keywords. Listen to 3 sentences and write numbers 1, 2, or 3 next to the keywords or phrases as you hear them. Compare your words with your partner's.
Unit 2. A. Focus. 2. Test tactic. Number 1.
How do you come to class?
Number 2.
What did you get for your last birthday?
Number 3.
Why do you want to improve your TOEIC score?
Have you finished? Let's listen again and have a look at the answers.
Unit 2. A. Focus. 2. Test tactic. Number 1.
How do you come to class?
Number 2.
What did you get for your last birthday?
Number 3.
Why do you want to improve your TOEIC score?
Next, make appropriate answers for the questions. 1. How do you come to class? I walk. By bus. My friend drives me. On the train. 2. What did you get for your last birthday? A new watch. Some gift vouchers. The latest Mariah Carey album. 3. Why do you want to improve your TOEIC score? To get into university. For my job. It's a personal challenge. In this section, you're gonna learn how to avoid common distractors. Read the information in the box carefully. It shows examples of the ways in which the choices on the test may be incorrect. A. Same word, unrelated meaning. If you hear the same word in the question and the answer choices, be careful. It could be a distractor. For example, question. Has the sale improved profits? Answer. Yes, it is for sale. In the question, sale means an act of exchanging something for money. The person wants to know whether sale helps to improve the profits or not. In the answer, for sale means available to buy. Even though the question and the answer use the same word sale, they mean two different things. B. Related subject doesn't answer the question. The test may use words that relate to one of the keywords in the question, but don't actually answer the question. For example, question. Where can I buy a cheap air conditioner? Answer. I agree that it's very cheap. In the question, the person wants to know where he or she can buy a cheap air conditioner. That is a question about location, not about the price. However, the answer doesn't mention anything about the location at all. C. Similar sound, different, unrelated word. Sometimes the incorrect choices use words that sound similar to the ones in the recording. For example, question. Have you met the new staff? Answer. No, it's not the same stuff. Staff and stuff sound similar. However, they've got totally different meanings. Now read questions 1 to 3 and underline the keywords. Then read the two incorrect distractors for each question and mark the type A, B, or C. Type A, same word, unrelated meaning. Type B, related subject, doesn't answer the question. Type C, similar sound, different, unrelated word. Have you finished? Here are the answers. In the question 1, the keywords are what, customer, cancel, and contract for. Now look at the first answer. He says he can sell it quite cheaply. In this answer, can sell sounds similar as cancel in the question. Hence, this is type C. Look at the second answer. My customers live in Boston. Both the question and answer have the word customer, but they are unrelated. Thus, this is type A. In question 2, The keywords are why, buy, and new car. Look at the third answer. No, traffic can be terrible in this city. Traffic is related to car, but it doesn't answer the question. Therefore, this type is B. Look at answer 4. Yes, my wife usually drives the car. Drives the car is related to car in the question. However, it doesn't answer the question. In conclusion, this is type B. In question 3, the keywords are how, ship, and documents. Look at answer 5. Have you seen the notice about a shop? Shop and ship sound similar. Consequently, this is type C. Look at answer 6. I just love ocean cruises. Ocean cruises is related to ship. However, it doesn't answer the question. As a result, this is type B. In this follow-up section, think of a correct answer choice for each of the questions and then compare your answers with your partner. Have you finished? Here are a few possible answers. 1. What did the customer cancel his contracts for? He moved away from the area. 2. Why did you buy a new car? My new company doesn't provide a company car. 3. How are they going to ship the documents? They are sending them by courier. This is the end of listening test, part 2, question response, test tactic. We'll see each other again in the next part called tactic practice. Bye for now.